Which country is known as Cockpit of Europe? Belgium. In which country white elephant is found? Thailand. Which mountain is known as roof of the world? Pamir. Which country started democracy? Ancient Greece. When did the Bronze Age begin? 3500 BC. In which year English came to India? 1608. In which year Dutch came to India? 1605. Who translated Bhagavad Gita into English? Charles Wilkins. Which French monarch invaded Italy in the year 1495? Charles VIII. How old was Mary Queen when she ascended the Scottish throne? 6 days. Who became King of Netherlands in 1806? Louis Bonaparte. Which continent is largest according to area? Asia. Junk email is also called spam. In computer, permanent memory is called ROM. Word processor spreadsheets are example of application software. In which country internet were first used? USA. Name of the first Hindi speaking robot? Reshma. Which creature doesn't have eyes? Earthworm. Eastern coast of India is also called Coromandel Coast. Animal without red blood cell. Earthworm. Main source of national income of India is service sector. The Gotra for the first time in Rig Veda. The number of fundamental duty in Indian Constitution is 11. Internet works on packet switching. Internet service that provides audio, video and conversation is known as video conferencing.